This model kit review is of the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. Here we can see some pictures of the diagrams of the parts. You can see we've got some engine parts. It's a 1/24 scale model by Fujimi, and don't really see any other details there. Let's open it up and have a look and see what we've got inside. Lots of screws to go through here. This is going to be a phenomenal kit, I can really tell. First of all here, let's have a look at our body. So this molding quality looks amazing. And you can tell here, we've got some beautiful lines. They're very sharp. We've got a very nicely detailed front engine bay here. We've got some support structure here for the roof so it doesn't crush or cave in. And nicely made out lines. Even got some door sills here, so it looks like we'll be able to open the doors hopefully. Wow. Okay, here we've got our chrome wheels, beautifully molded. On the other side we've got some exhaust parts and a front grille there. Some mirrors. We also have our tires. Nice, soft, flexible. With some nice treads there as well. And the potty caps. Okay, over here we've got our disc brakes. They've been drilled out. We've got our brake calipers. Here's our hub with the I guess this is one at the front and back, but very nicely molded. We've got our floor pan chassis here. Parts here for our steering. That's going to hold the hubs together, I guess. And then here is our steering rack. And we've got some wheel wells. Those will go on top there. And then probably it looks like some little vanes there for airflow. Okay, we've got the front hood, and look at that. You've got the inside is molded. That's beautiful. We've also got the doors. Door skins there, some side mirrors, and our front bumper there. Molding quality is amazing. Here we've got parts for our interior. We've got our dashboard and steering column, paddle shifters and steering wheel. Here's part of our front grille. Some side skirts there. Looks like our headlights. Windshield wipers. Amazing. Okay, here is our cockpit with doors. Our seats. The bottoms of the seats are molded in. Here we've got the front of the seats and the back of the seats. And we've also got part of our central console and our mirror. And then the door cards, the interior of the door. So it certainly looks like the doors are going to be able to open. Okay, even better here is part of our engine. So we've got a fair amount of detail here with our engine. Beautiful molding here. Part of our air intakes. There's the actual air intake feeding into the engine. We're just going to add some details here for our spark plugs. Absolutely beautiful, this molding. So many parts and such good quality too. Here's our glass front and back. We've also got side glass here for the doors to be able to open there, and our headlights. That's amazing. The quality of these lights, as well as our molded in defroster. Now what's more amazing here is they actually send you this detail up set. I don't know if this is supposed to come with it. I didn't order it separately. But lots of extra little pieces here. Those are the masks for the, I can just faintly make them out, for the front and rear windshields. Here are the details, the extra detail upset for our brakes. Absolutely phenomenal. Brake pedal, accelerator, seat belts. Amazing. Photo etched parts here for the inside and outside, for our wheel hubs, everything. We've got additional metal transfers for some shiny metal parts, and then probably for seat belts. Wow. Here is the decal set. Let's go through this part here. These are the instructions for the detail upset, and so we've got some seat belt parts there. The seat belts go there with a little cover or holder to hold it in place. That's absolutely phenomenal. It goes in the door sill. Look at all of that. That is absolutely incredible. You even get a little key with a Ferrari keychain. Absolutely amazing. On the back part here, it shows you how to put together the drilled and slotted brakes, and the keychain, pedal, and where to put all these little extra pieces. So that's amazing. Here's our front grille, also incredible. Okay, the instructions here. Parts listing there. Here are the colors needed. And then we've got our paint and decal guide. Okay, so we're going to start off here with the front wheel hubs, and definitely going to recommend using the photo etched ones. And then the rear wheel hubs. The front ones again, we put the steering on, and we mount it all onto the chassis. So not a lot of suspension parts, but the rest of it is absolutely amazing. Probably not even going to see most of that anyway. We've got the tires going on there. Build the interior. And it all gets mounted onto the cockpit. Start to put the body parts on there. And then our glass goes into the body as well as our headlights. Now we're putting the rest of the body parts on the front, including the grille and headlights, our chin there or splitter. We've got some brake parts, and then we mount all of that onto the chassis. Now we do have some engine parts to put together here, and that looks quite good. There are all the exhausts, this little bundle of snakes. That's all then mounted onto the front of the car, or inside the front of the car. And then we've got some door parts to go there. And that's all then mounted onto the door. So that is an absolutely incredible kit. Molding quality is amazing. All the extra features, photo etch, metal transfers, everything. This is truly an amazing kit.